A very warm welcome again, children. So let us begin with our today's session. We were in chapter number 15, that is Introduction to Graphs. In the last session, children, we have studied what is linear graph, and we have also seen how to plot the points and what it is said, like what is x coordinates, what is y coordinate, right? So in the last session, children, if you remember, I have given you a homework, right, from exercise 15.2, and I have already informed you that in the next session I'll be showing the solution for that, right? So I hope everybody must have done that. Okay, so you can check your answer today. So let us begin with that sum. So it was plot the following points on a graph sheet and verify whether they lie on a line, and the points were K, L, M and N, and the coordinates were given, right? So let us see. This was a homework. Okay, so let us see the solution for it, children. So you can see now here, point K coordinates, it is 2, 3. That is on x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 3. So let us begin. So children, x coordinate 2 is here. Okay, and if I go ahead with the y coordinate as 3, I'll go up as 1, 2 and 3. So this is my point K. Okay, so I'll mark my point, children. Give me a minute. So you can see this is my point K. Okay, so I will mention here it is K. Okay, so you can see now if I draw a line on x-axis, it is coming at point 2, and on y-axis it is coming at 3. So 2, 3 is the coordinates of point K. The next point is L, 5, 3. So where is 5? Here, children. I go up to 3. This will be my point L, that is 5, 3. So you can see if I come down, it is coming on x-axis 0.5, and here it is coming at 0.3. So this is my next point, that is point L, right? Now next one is M. So it is 5, 5. The coordinates are 5, 5. So 5 is here. If I go up, okay, till 5, it will be here. So this will be my next point, that is M. Sorry, it is point M, children, right? That is 5, 5. And N will be 2, 5. So here is 2 and I go up, it will be something here. Okay, so it is, this point is N. Okay, so like this you get 4 points, that is K, L, M and N. So now if you see, children, when you draw all this, it will be something like this. Okay, so you can see here, if I show you, this is K, 2, 3. So if you see, it is 2 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis, right? Then another point, if you say L, so it is 5 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis, that is y coordinate, right? Next one, if you take M, it is 5 x coordinate and 5 y coordinate, right? If you see the last point N is 2 on the x coordinate and 5 on the y coordinate. So these are the 4 points you will get. Okay, so after plotting the 4 points, this will be your graph. Now you have to check whether they are linear or not, whether all points lie on a single line. So if I start joining all these points, am I getting all the points on a single line, children? No. Yes, this is the rectangle shape formed here if I join all the points. So it is not lying on a single line. Hence, you can write the answer. The points do not form a line. This is the reason, children, why it is also not a linear graph. It is a non-linear. So I hope this is clear, children, and everybody has done this. Okay, so let us proceed. with the next one, that is exercise 15.2, question number 2. I hope now it is very much clear how to plot the points using the coordinates given, and how to plot the points on the graph. Okay, so next one is draw a line passing through 2, 3 and 3, 2. So you can see here, children. Sorry. Yeah. So this is your point 2, 3. If you see, it is 2 as x coordinate and 3 as y coordinate, right? And the next point is 3, 2. So that is 3 x coordinate and y coordinate is 2. So this way you have plotted your first 2 points on your graph. You will plot, and then after that you will draw a line passing through the 2 points. That is, you can see on your screen, children. So this is the line which we have drawn. Okay, so now you have to tell where the line meets at x axis and y axis. So you can see, children, here on the x axis the line is meeting at this point, and this point the coordinates are x axis 5 and y axis 0, right? Because we are not moving upward anywhere, right? So you can see here this point is 5, 0. So the meeting at x axis is at coordinate 5, 0. And you can see similarly on y axis they meet at 0, 5. Why 0? Because you can see here is the origin, that is 0. We are not going ahead on the x axis, so it will be 0, and upward it is going till 5, so it will be 5. So 0, 5. So hence you can see the answer you will write, the line touches the x axis at 5, 0 and y axis at 0, 5. Children, you have to draw this in your graph paper and then write the answer at the bottom. Let us proceed. Exercise 15.2, question number 3. Write the coordinates of the vertices of each of these adjoining figures. Now you can see on your screen 3 figures are given. Okay, so 3 figures, 2 figures are 4-sided and the last one is 3-sided, right, children? So you have to write all the vertices. Vertices means nothing but the points. Like in the first figure, how many vertices the figure have here? 0, A, okay, B and C. B and C, that is 4 vertices. Similarly, in this picture, the second diagram, they are having P, Q, R, S, that is 4 vertices. Similarly, in the third figure, they have L, K and M, only 3 vertices. So you have to write the coordinates of these all vertices. So let us begin. One by one we'll take the picture. So now this was your first picture, children, that is OABC. Okay, so now you can see here. Yeah. So O is nothing but here, children. Okay, so we are not moving anywhere on the x-axis as well as we are not going anywhere on the y-axis. This point is known as the origin point, and the coordinates for the origin point is always 0, 0. That is 0 on x-axis and 0 on y-axis, children. So always remember the coordinates of origin is 0, 0. So you will write point O is 0, 0. Similarly, point A we will take, children. Next is, you can see here is the vertex A. Okay, and here you can see it is at point 2 on x-axis, right? And y-axis we are not going anywhere ahead, right? That is on the top we are not going. So y will be 0 and x will be 2. So how we write? We write x first. So it will be 2, 0. So point A, what are the coordinates? 2, 0. That is x coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 0. Now let us come to the next point, that is point B, children. So if you move here on the x, it is coming 2. So 2 will be the x coordinate, and if you move this side, it is coming at 3. So 3 will be the y coordinate. So the coordinates of point B will be 2, 3. So next one is C, that is the last one, children. Okay, so now if you see here, it is lying on the y-axis. When the point is lying on y-axis, the coordinate of x will be 0. And when any point is lying on x-axis, the coordinate of y will be 0, children. So keep it in mind, these 2 points are very, very important to note down. When the point is lying on y-axis, okay, the x coordinate is 0. And when the point is lying on x coordinate, the x-axis, the y coordinate is 0. Okay, so here the point is lying on y-axis, so obviously x coordinate will be 0. So x is 0 and y coordinate is 3. Similarly, if you see A was lying on x axis, so y coordinate was 0 if you see here. Okay, so these are very important points to understand. So these are the answers. Let us proceed with the next figure, that is this one. Okay, so here it is. Give me 1 minute. Yeah. So let us begin with the point P, children. So here is your point P. So if you go on the x, it is 4, y it is 3. So 4, 3 will be the coordinates for point P. Next one is Q. If you go on x-axis, it is 6, and on y-axis it is 1. So coordinates will be 6, 1. If you see R, if you come down, it is 6, and if you go this side, it is 5. So 6, 5 are the coordinates of point R. And S is 4, 7. So 4, 7 are the coordinates of point S. I hope this is clear. Yes, children. Now let us move to the third figure, that is KLM. So now you can see here, no need to explain by yourself. First, I would request you to write all the coordinates and check the answers. Okay. So these are the answers for question number 3. No need to draw the figures. You have to write only answers in your classwork. Just move further to the last question of this exercise, that is, to the last question of exercise, that is exercise 15.2, question number 4. State whether true or false. Okay, so first one is a point whose x coordinate is 0, okay, and y coordinate is non-zero. So it will lie on y-axis. So let us see, children. Let us take one example. Suppose here they have told that x coordinate is 0. Let us keep 0. And y coordinate is non-zero. Let us keep 3. Okay. So let us plot here. 0 is here on x-axis and y is 3. So I'll move ahead and 3 is here. So this is my point, suppose L. So is it lying on x-axis or y-axis, the point L? Of course it will lie on the y-axis. So hence this is, the statement is true, that if the x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is non-zero, it will lie, the point will lie on the y-axis. So it is absolutely true. Next one, a point whose y coordinate is 0 now and x coordinate is 5. So the coordinates will be, children, 5, 0, right? So we can see here a point is plotted over here. Okay, y is 0, so obviously it will lie on the x-axis. Hence the point will lie on x-axis. But in the question, if you see, it is given that the point will lie on a y-axis. So it is absolutely wrong. So it is false. It lie on x-axis. It is already told in the question, make the sentence correct. So you will write it lie on x-axis. Let us move ahead. The coordinates of the origin are 0 and 0. Absolutely right. A few slides before I have already explained. Always the coordinates of origin, that is point 0, O, is always 0, 0. That is x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is also 0. So this is absolutely right, children. So you will write true. I hope it was very much clear, children, now how to plot the points, how to check whether it is linear or non-linear, how to write the coordinates of any given points. Okay, so practice all the sums by your own children once again in the graph book, how to plot the points specially. Okay, so that in the next session we will be seeing some application based on this. So that's it. We will stop for today. Thank you.